The ECC listing of a graphics processors of the Asus trademark has an interesting model name,
Hey,
the RTX 3070-8G-Noctua. That's going to
Noctua.
be pretty sweet. We don't know what it'll look like, probably nothing like this, but here's a render of what an Asus X Noctua graphics card might look like, and 10 out
It
of 10.
actually looks pretty cool. I seriously doubt it will look anything like that.
10 of
I
10
suspect it's just going to be usage of fans. I don't think it's going to have like a big Noctua badge on it and stuff.
would
But those,
invite to the backseat
I
of
think
my
it's
car
look,
after prom.
yeah, I think it looks great. It's a cool
Yeah.
render.
Yeah. Looks
Whoever
fantastic.
made that should be proud. I don't think that's what it's going to look like, but
I
I'd
I
be happy to eat my words.
I expect it to perform awesome. I mean, Noctua
Yeah.
is still king when it comes to fan performance. They were recently dethroned by who was it? Dethroned Noctua fan. Oh, who is it? Was it not Deep Cool? Be Quiet, maybe?
Really?
Here it
Hopefully it's not
is.
as horrible to install as
Here it is. But
their other
Fantex,
heatsink.
Fantex. Here we go.
Oh,
This
a
fan,
point.
but they kind of hacked because it's
Oh,
5 millimeters thicker. Which, when you consider how much
um,
of a fan is
yeah,
the structural frame at the back and how much of it is the actual blade, being 5 millimeters thicker on a 25 millimeter fan is actually more than just being 20% thicker in terms of the actual spinning part. It's like probably closer to like 25% thicker. So it does beat the NF A12X24. But if I'm Noctua, I'm probably going to be pretty pissy about this, and I'm going to do a 30 millimeter fan of my own. And then all of a sudden, 25 millimeter fans as the standard are going to be dead, and all your cases are going to be obsolete because
bigger.
they won't fit modern
Yeah,
fans, and the case is going to get bigger and whatever.
yeah.
I mean, these things happen. These things happen.
It's interesting that they're basically like making a new market segment, though.